Hi everybody, it's Derek from 9D Diagnostics. We have a Ford Focus in the workshop today. It's the 1.6 TDCi engine in it. It's just in for its routine service, no issues with the car. But we're just going to do a little video on replacing the fuel filter and what we do to actually get the engine to start once the fuel filter has gone in. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is your fuel filter here, and we've just bought the new one in. It's bolted in 3 places here, and then it just comes out as one unit. But when you get the new fuel filter, obviously it's empty. There's no fuel inside it, and this car doesn't have a pump in the fuel tank to get fuel up into here. So when you connect it up and you start the engine, it will run for a couple of seconds of even that, and then it will cut out and it won't start. And no matter what you do, the engine will keep turning over and over. And more than likely you'll run your battery flat, but you can potentially do damage to your fuel pump because there's no fuel in there, which is a lubricant, and it can damage the internal components of the fuel pump. So we always make sure we get fuel in here. If you're able to fill it with fuel beforehand, brilliant. If not, this is what we do. So this pipe here, this is your inlet. This comes down from the tank. We'll connect that in, and this brings all the fuel inside, and then this pipe here that runs out, which connects to this, brings the fuel up to the fuel pump. So what we use is we use a little pipe here, and we connect it on. And we use a suction, and you'll see fuel coming up through here, and we'll suck fuel up from the tank. Takes a couple of seconds. And there we go. You see the fuel there? So we've got fuel coming up with the tank. That's plenty. Just disconnect it. Connect it on. And that's it. So there's fuel in here. 9 times out of 10 now this car will start straight away, and it will run fine. On the very rare occasion we might have to go to the back of the fuel pump on the return pipe back to the tank and do the suction from there. But 9 times out of 10 this will work. So it just makes things a little bit easier for maintenance purposes and getting the car sorted and not damaging the fuel pump or draining the battery. Okay, have a good one.